In this video tutorial, we are going to show you the most useful 5 PowerPoint tips and tricks that can make your life easier. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. This is a PowerPoint slide. Let me watch the slideshow. Here I want to change the mouse cursor. I want to make it as a laser or a highlighter. So what I have to do actually, let me click on right button, go to pointer option, click on laser pointer. I can easily highlight the area using this laser pointer. Let me click on right button, click on pointer option, let me click on pen. I can easily draw anything here. Let me click on right button, click on pointer option. I can click on highlight. I can easily highlight any text or anything else. Let me click on right button, click on pointer option. I can change the highlighter color or the pen color. Let me click on eraser. I can easily erase anything. Let me click on pointer option, arrow option, click on automatic. Then my previous mouse will be appeared. So this is our first trick. Now let me end the slideshow, discard. Our second trick is arranging photo in PowerPoint easily. Here I have 4 images. I want to arrange it like this. If I want to arrange it, the distance between 2 photos will not same, or the photo will not align properly. So what I have to do actually, select all of these photos, go to picture format, go to align middle, and I have to change the distance between 2 photos. So I have to go to align, click on distribute horizontally. So all of this photo has been distributed correctly. Our third trick is making the bell is ringing. So what I have to do actually, if I click on slideshow, I want to make it ringing until the slide end. So let me click on here, go to animation, go to Teeter. Now go to animation pen, go to effect option, click on timing, start. Let me change it, start with previous duration. Let me change the duration 5 seconds and repeat until the end of slide. Let me click on OK. Now if I want to watch the slideshow, you will see my bell is ringing and until the next click. Our trick number 4 is removing background using PowerPoint. Here I have an image. I want to remove the background and I only keep the mug and the hand. So let me click on here, go to picture format, go to remove background. So if I click on remove background, you will see a portion of hand has been removed here. If I click on keep changes, this is not looking good. So let me click on Ctrl Z, click on remove background. What I have to do actually, here let me click on mark area to keep. Select this area. Here this is looking perfect. Click on keep changes. Now this is okay. So the background has been removed. I can easily use this image anywhere of my slide. Our trick number 5 is inserting a countdown timer. In the presentation we always give some tea break or breakfast or lunch. So if I want to make the countdown timer, suppose I want to give 10 minutes for tea break. So what I have to do actually, so let me insert a new slide here. Let me go to insert, go to get add-ins, click on countdown. Here let me select break time, click on add, click on continue. Here the break time timer has been added. I can easily change here breakfast or the exercise, or I can easily use the tea break, and I want to give the tea break only for 5 minutes. Let me change the minutes here and make it bigger. Let me click on slideshow and click on start. Then our countdown timer will work properly. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.